Okay, they still have no power upstairs, and there's an open neutral, so we're going to see if we have power in this box here. So this isn't the right apartment. Okay, there's our in the right box now. This one is the second floor. There's power in it. It's for apartment 2. We'll just check our connections in this box. They're together. And I'll open this one up. They're together. So we'll stick them back into our box the way that they were. There's probably our problem right here. All those white wires not making contact. And thank God I have nothing to stand on to get up to it. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to be thankful that I can't see and can't reach and not complain. Because what good is it going to do? Nothing. Nothing good nothing good can come from complaining. Absolutely nothing. So I'll just flatten all this out here. So we're going to use what's called a lever, ideal lever connector here. So we'll just pop these little levers open. Make sure it's in. And we'll come up here. And I'll look, make sure all our wires are in. I see all three of our coppers are through the connector there. So we'll take this off and we'll just check all of our black wires and make sure they're all together okay. And they weren't very good, so I'm going to take it off. Then we're going to use our Wagos here, the ideal version of them. But one at a time. Just make sure that wire's not live. Since I can't use my left hand, I'll just use my pliers to get that wire to go into our Lego there. And fortunately it crumbled, so it gave me a nice challenge of having some bare wire to worry about. Tried to cut it back some. You just don't let stuff like that bother you. You just cut it back. If it's too short, you know what? It's too short. If you can't do it, you know what? You can't do it. You don't complain. You just tell somebody you can't do it and be done. It's not in, so I have to pull forward some more. Push in. And now I see it locked on there. That is what it is. You just can't frustrate over stuff like that. It is what it is, and you can't change it. Can't do anything about it. If something's not good, it's not good. So what good is complaining going to do? Absolutely nothing at all. Nothing at all. And I see some more bare wire. So you know what? I'm thankful for that bare wire back there. So I pull this off. And I don't get upset. I don't complain. I just deal with it. And if I can't, you know what? I can't. I just accept the facts. Let somebody else do it then. If I can't, I just can't. And I do not complain. And I don't frustrate over anything. Well, it looks like I can get it to go in. I just have to play with it until I see the copper is where I want it. But if it doesn't go where I want it, you know what? It doesn't go where I want it. And if I can't, I can't. That's all. Okay, there it is, locked in. And we're not going to get carried away. We're not going to get frustrated. We're just going to be thankful for what we got. Because we did get something connected together here. And we're not getting upset. We're not going to carry on.